would tell somebody your biggest, deepest problem, and they'd be like, really? Really? You're wasting time? You're losing sleep over that? So, and it's just what human beings are doing. It's why we're here. We are here to make mistakes, learn lessons, and transform our soul, heart, mind, and body. Now, this class is not over here at the 5 lifetimes level, right? We've all made it through kindergarten. We've all made it through elementary school. We've all made it through high school. We're now at the level of college or postgraduate to graduate level training. Because we know these things. We know about karma. We know that there's spiritual, that the spiritual is more important than the physical. We know that in our world. Otherwise, we wouldn't even be interested in being in a class like